So here today we are going to focusing mainly arrays concept. This is the very important concept. Arrays concept is JavaScript level very important. Why I'm going to say important? If you are understanding the array concept, any kind of JavaScript frameworks or libraries, that means your understanding purpose, Angular, React, UJS, whatever you are going to hear, most famous front-end frameworks, you can able to develop very easy. So JavaScript level, heart of the portion is nothing but the arrays. So that the reason arrays concept you need to thoroughly understand. At any particular point of time, if you are not able to understand, feel free to raise the question. Why? Because this is the very important. So JavaScript arrays, we are going to start it. So JavaScript array is an object that represents a collection of similar type of elements. For this array, JavaScript point of view, array is nothing but an object that represents a collection of similar type of elements. That is nothing but an array, JavaScript array. This kind of JavaScript array, three ways you can able to create. There are three ways to construct array in JavaScript. What are the three ways? Number one, by array literal. This is the one type we are going to see practically. Now, second one is by creating instance of array directly using new keyword. Using new keyword directly, you can able to write. So here you need to understand array is similar kind of data. This array, three ways you can able to create. Number one, by array literal. Number two, by creating instance of array directly using new keyword. Next, third one is by using an array constructor. Sir. Here I'm going to explaining array, how many ways you can create. There is a three ways. First one is by array literal. Second one is creating instance of array directly by using the new keyword. Third one is what? Constructor through, you can able to use that one. Okay. First we need to focus on what? Literal. How to define? What is the syntax? Syntax is, this is the way. var array name equal to, you need to provide here square bracket, put the semicolon. Here we need to define value 1 comma, value 2 comma, value 3 comma, like that, and number of values you can define. This is the kind of representation we can call as a literal type. Okay. Example. We need, that is the syntax. Example. How to write that one example also need to understand. I'm going to give here var emp employee equal to, I'm going to providing here similar kind of data. I'm going to providing here Prasad. Okay. I'm going to providing here Sundari. You can provide here something. I need to give Chandra. Okay, I need to provide here Shiva. This is the way you can write the n number of literals. This is the one array. Okay, you are defining the array. That array level elements, how to iterate, how to display. We need to define for loop. To display the elements, we need to use for loop. Already we know the for loop, right? How to write the for loop? For I equal to 0 index position starting and I less than, what is the size of array? Emp dot length method is there. It is going to identify the size. Semicolon I plus plus increment in the index position. So that is the way we are going to define. Open the flower bracket and close the flower bracket. Inside, I need to display. How to display? Console dot log of. We need to provide EMP of array representation, index value, 0 index position. We are going to pass it. Okay. We need to check this one now. How to check? We need to go to the workspace. Where is my workspace? Here, my workspace. Here, JavaScript. These are all JavaScript kind of functionalities only. Okay. So JavaScript level, you can create one folder. That folder is arrays. So arrays kind of things I need to maintain here. I need to open the VS Code. Simple way, command prompt to open code space dot current location based automatically it is going to open the VS Code. Okay. So this is the way we are going to open the VS Code. Fine. Now I need to create a one file, directly script file only. Okay. So literal array literal .js. Here we need to define the array. What is the array? Already we are defining now here. So take this one, take this code. Okay, take this code, go to the VS Code and paste it. What is the error we are going to get here? What is the error we are getting here? We are going to define the array, right? Not for the object. Not a flower bracket. This is the square bracket is required. Okay. Remember, object level flower bracket, array level square bracket is required. How to alignment? Alignment, how to set this one? Alt Shift F. Yesterday, one of friend is asking, right? Indentation, alignment, Alt Shift F. Done. Now, how to test this one? You need to open the terminal or else your command prompt also here also you can able to use. What the command I need to use here? Node space array literal dot js. See, we are getting or not? We are getting the data or not? So this is the literal type of representation. Okay, this is the literal type of representation. Next, we are going to focusing on what? Instance array, how to create. For example, we are emp equal to, I'm taking the emp only, new array. New array. This is the representation is called, this kind of representation is called array directly with new keyword. Then how to pass the values? How to pass the values? We need to pass here emp of 0 equal to I need to provide here AP. Okay. Next, we need to provide emp of 1 equal to Swati. Okay. You can give any name. EMP of 2 equal to Shiva. EMP of 3 equal to Chandra. Based on the index position, you need to pass the values. Then how to get the values? How to get the values, sir? Same for loop you can use. Same kind of for loop you can use. Here also it is going to get the values. Okay, now we need to test this one. This entire thing we need to test array directly. Okay, how to create file? Go to here, create the new file, array directly. I'm going to providing array directly.js. Your understanding purpose. Copy paste alignment. How to get Alt Shift F, sir. The friend, remember this one. Alt Shift F. Done. Now we need to test this one, right? How to test this one, sir? How to test? For the command node space array directly dot js. We're getting or not? We're getting, right? This is the second way people are going to define. Next, third type. So we are going to focusing on what? Third type of representation. How to define that third type of representation? So directly I'm going to pass the value. See, here emp equal to new array. This is the constructor. This constructor level I'm going to providing here Chandra. I'm going to provide the Shiva. I'm going to providing here Ramesh. I'm going to providing here. Here I'm going to providing KP, like that. We are going to provide the values. Now I need to iterate. I need to fetch the values. How to fetch the values? For loop only. Okay. Same for loop it is working. Representation, array representation, only difference. Okay. We need to check. We need to check this one. How to check? Go to here. Creating here what? Array constructor dot js. This is the way we need to provide. Okay, now I need to test this one. How to test? Come on. How to test? Node space array constructor dot js. Getting the data or not? Right? How many ways you can create array? Come on. How many ways you can create? 3 ways. What are the 3 ways? Literal. By using new keyword. Third one is what? Constructor. 3 ways. Understood?